Hi and welcome to the unboxing of this Codegen G6012 G1 Midi Tower I just got in the mail. First of all, the box looks a little bit worse for wear. It's crumpled up and quite dirty up top, and I think that's the original packaging the Midi Tower is sent out from the factory. So yeah, and it's made in China, as you can see right here. It's the Codegen Superpower 6012 G1. So let's open it up and see what's in there. Got my knife. Yeah, at this stage I really don't care about the packaging anymore, so I'm gonna just rip it up and don't deal with a bit of destruction. Yeah. So let's get this out of the way. Yeah, that's what's inside that packaging. The tower, some protection. Looks already broken. Yeah, let's pull that off. Still one piece. And the bottom one. Let's get that out of the way. There it is in this plastic wrap. I'm gonna topple it upside down and get it out. So here we have it. Let's see inside. I want to see what's in there. Gonna get a screwdriver and yeah. So now let's take a closer look inside. And as you can see, there's not much in it. Just a packet of screws and nuts for the mainboard and a buzzer and the wires for the lights and the switches and the USB port. So yeah, not much in it. Just the back case, just what I needed. I've had now a closer look and I've noticed there's a dent in the back of the case, like right here. It's like dented inside. It actually coincides with the damage of the packaging part that was up top. As you can see, it's also bent in, so I suspect maybe the case was damaged during shipping and the previous customer returned it and they sent it to me, but actually I don't mind that. I'm gonna keep it anyway. It's probably a really easy fix. Just like, yeah, just push it out. There, it's fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it. So now that we had a look at the packaging and the contents of the package of the Codegen G6012 G1, next up I'm gonna do a review of this case. And if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. So thank you for watching and see you. Goodbye.